Excuse me. Pwede kami mag-interview sa iyo.
Oo, pwede ba? Pwede da. Para saan ba yung interview?
Sa gender and society na mo.
Oo.
So, ma'am, pwede kami mga tanong sa iyo kung kaon ng LGBT. Yan. Part ka ng LGBT.
Oo, part ako sa LGBT.
So, how are you today, ma'am?
I'm good.
Sige, ma'am, mga tanong kami da ma'am kung ano yung imo name.
I'm George. Or you can call me Georgia.
Okay. O, ano mo age, ma'am?
20 years old.
Haing gahuya, ma'am.
Live in Tagos, Surigao del Sur.
Yay mo mga trabaho, ma'am, or kuan job ko man, or
Wala. Still student.
gender kuan, preference.
I am lesbian.
Okay. So, amo dito, ma'am, og yadi pa ila, ma'am.
In your opinion, how can the school where you are enrolled at or the community where you belong to become more gender sensitive?
Here in nga di sa Nimso, they still have an inequality. They do not accept us. Still, they're still sensitive about the gays, the lesbians, mga tomboys. They're still sensitive here in Nimso. Tapos,
Amo dito, ma'am.
yes.
Follow-up question po, ma'am. What are your experience, struggle, and challenges as a member of LGBTQ community?
My experience and struggle as an LGBTQ, pag develop pa lamang ng ako, like na-discover ko na ako ka na as a lesbian, damon tao na ga-discriminate sa ako, like nagbully sa ako, ga-develop pa lang ako ng ako ko, but still ginapush ko gihapon kasi kung kay amo sa ako hindi kibali na pagkatao wala may ilang mahimo kung ano man ako.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, thank you. Hello, sir. Pwede ka na mo ma-interview about the samo gender and society.
Sige.
Based on your experience, how socialization play a role since you were still young with regard to your gender preference?
For me, no, as when I was a child, dili gid ko actually na naga-socialize before, and now wondering na now pa ko naga-explore kung aha ko belong, since socialization is important, based on your based on your gender preferences. But I think for me let's stop this stigma na if kung ahagid ka belong dito ka, pero if kung gusto ka kung ahagid ka aha ka or gusto ka nga group nga mo belong dito ka wala problema karon. But for me still stagnant gyapon since the day nga kung ahagid ko mo belong or aha ko nga group mo belong or aha ko nga dili gid ko mo belong, kay since gamay ra akong childhood, and for that pasab kayo koy experience nga inana, but still na-experience na ako before ang bullying. Pero since bullying is part of the problem sa socialization, but still we can cope up with that.
So, thank you, sir.
Advocating for LGBTQIA+ rights, a call for equality and inclusion. In a world that prides itself on progress and human rights, it is important to recognize and advocate for the rights of LGBTQIA+ individuals. The LGBTQIA+ community, encompassing diverse identities such as lesbian, gay, bisexual, transgender, queer, questioning, intersex, and asexual, continues to face significant discrimination, violence, and exclusion. This advocacy aims to highlight the importance of embracing diversity, ensuring equal rights, and fostering an inclusive society where every individual can live authentically and with dignity. Equality is a fundamental human right, and every person, regardless of their sexual orientation or gender identity, deserves to live free from discrimination and prejudice. LGBTQIA+ individuals face unique challenges that can affect their mental health, economic stability, and social acceptance. Promoting equal rights ensures that LGBTQIA+ people have the same opportunities as everyone else in education, employment, healthcare, and housing. Achieving true equality requires comprehensive legal protections, including anti-discrimination laws, simplified gender identity recognition, and strengthened hate crime legislation. Education plays a crucial role in combating ignorance and prejudice, with inclusive curricula and diversity training fostering understanding and acceptance. It is essential that healthcare providers are trained to meet their unique needs, including mental health support and specialized services for transgender individuals. Creating safe spaces and support networks is vital, with community centers, support groups, and allies playing crucial roles in standing against discrimination and promoting inclusivity. Everyone, this Pride Month, let us stand together to create a world that celebrates diversity and ensures that every person, regardless of their identity, can thrive.